If you want to keep your notes organized in Evernote, creating a new notebook is one of the simplest and most useful things you can do. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a new notebook in Evernote on desktop and web, step by step, so you can separate projects, keep ideas grouped together, and stay more productive. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. First, open the Evernote app on your computer or log into the Evernote website in your browser. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where Evernote keeps your main folders and notebooks options. So you'll want to find and click on Notebooks. After you open the Notebook section, look for the New Notebook button. Depending on your version of Evernote, this may appear at the top right of the notebook list, or it may show up as a plus icon. Either way, this is the button you need to create a brand new notebook. Now click New Notebook, and Evernote will ask you to name it. This is where you can type in a clear, specific name for your notebook. For example, you could name it Recipes, Project X, Meeting Notes, Travel Plans, or anything else that matches how you plan to use it. Choosing a good name makes it much easier to find your notes later. Once you've typed the notebook name, go ahead and click Create. Evernote will save the notebook right away, and it will now appear in your notebooks list. That means your new notebook is ready to use, and you can start adding notes into it whenever you want. If you're someone who likes to stay organized, this is a great habit to build. You can create separate notebooks for work, personal life, school, clients, brainstorming, or even long-term goals. The more clearly you structure your notebooks, the easier it becomes to find everything fast when you need it. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to make a new notebook in Evernote on desktop and web. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how organized your notes feel. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Evernote tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.